beefy buttery sauce that goes perfect with any meat. Learn how to make it now with no introduction. Let's see how fast we can do it. So the burner's on high. I'll put all the ingredients and the amounts on the screen so it's easy to follow along. Let's start the timer and see how long it takes to get this done. Start with the ingredients. We're going to add cream, butter, cheese, which you could substitute for old cheddar cheese, lemon juice, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, garlic clove, pepper, smoked paprika, and thyme. Okay, so I have this on high. I'm going to stand right over this and watch this, otherwise you could risk the chance of it burning. I'm going to stir it occasionally, and we are going to bring this to a boil, and then we're going to let it set for 5 minutes. After everything's melted, it's good to have a whisk to continuously whisk it so it doesn't burn, or the cheese doesn't burn on the bottom. It's about to come to a boil, so we'll take it off when that happens. I got some delicious brisket, and I actually have a video of how to make that. Check it out, it's awesome. So that's what we're going to dip the sauce in. And you can see it's coming to a boil, so we're going to set that off to the side and let that cool for 5 minutes. Okay, so we'll take the brisket. Oh, we're going to pour a bit of the beefy butter into the bowl, and we're going to let that cool for a little bit. 8 minutes, it's been cool enough. Cool, 3 minutes. I'm going to give this a try. So like I said, it's incredible on any kind of beef. This is brisket, and it's also great on steak, which I have an incredible recipe, marinated steak, that I'll put on the end screen. All right, we'll give this a try. But first, if you get any value out of this, do me a favor, give me a little bit of love back, hit the subscribe, the like, or leave a comment. That's beautiful. The brisket's awesome too, the smoke flavor, but dipping it in that beefy butter. Oh, look at that. Awesome. Have a good day.